value, so you need to give a parenthesis. And the balance also you want to make it's a dynamic value, and you are just giving a parenthesis. And here dot format next to the string dot format, open bracket close bracket, here you can able to pass some argument. So the argument which you are going to pass is here is a one string and one number. So it's got replaced. So now when we are just going here, yeah, so here first index and here zeroth index. Oh sorry, I got a space. So here I just give a first index and a zeroth index. So first index 1 2 3 will get replaced hi 1 2 3, and your balances name like this will be getting. So instead of we have one a variable and here we have one b variable, I'm just going to handle this with variable. So instead of name and 1 2 3, I can give a comma b. So zeroth index, first index getting changed. So now instead of this, what you can able to do here is I am just removing this index positions like 0 and 1. So you will get hi name and your balance is 34 like this you will get. So this is what your format is. So in this format, we can able to even make this variables a default one here. So something here I am just defining, and here also I am something defining. So it will, yeah, when we are defining a equal to and b equal to inside this format, then in this argument you need to define a where you want to make a and where you want to make a b. So like this you can able to handle it. So format which is mainly used to handle the template printing. Okay, so instead of format we having another way also, so that way which is used with the percentage. So high percentage yes is you, I just made something like this, and then here percentage, here I'm just defining Python. So instead of this percentage yes, it's replaced with the Python. So instead of percentage yes, you can able to give a d it's for decimal, so it will expect only the decimal numbers, it won't expect the string. So for that perspective, here you can able to go with 1 2 3 like this, so it will replace with. So this percentage and format both are used to handle your template printing. You can use a format or a percentage, but percentage will give more validation. But format is very easy to handle. So both are having its advantage and disadvantage. You can use anything, it's not a problem. Uh, so the next thing is format map. So format underscore map, where I'm just creating one dictionary, and inside the dictionary I'm just defining a name Python, and then a version, and I got a 3.7, and then I'm just getting a year and just give 1992. Okay, I want something with the tuple format. So what I'm just going to create is I'm creating a dictionary, and the dictionary I'm just defining a name, and I'm just making some list format. One is Python and another one is I'm just making a JavaScript. Sorry, I'm making a JavaScript, and now comma use, I'm just making a one more list, uh, all comma web. So I just define something like this. So now print off, what I want to do here is hi Python is used in all. So I just want to tell those things. So print off hi parenthesis. Now you are going to handle from the dictionary list. So for that perspective, dictionary key name I just define here, and I am just giving a 0. Is used in, and again parenthesis use, and the index position 0. So after this here dot format underscore map, I need to give a variable name, and the variable name is D. You will get the answer. So hi Python is used in all. So see in this name 0, from this key name 0th index, it's replaced here, and from this key name use, the 0th index, it's replaced here. So wherever you are having a parenthesis. So to extract something with the help of format, we need to go ahead with the format map. So these are some inbuilt functions of our string data type. So the next thing is, I think we done till this: capitalize, case fold, center, count, encode, ends with, expand tabs, find, format map, index. About this is I will explain in our PPT. So now we need to go ahead with this part first. Okay, in this part, this find or find index, this two thing is done, and swap case is done, and upper is done, lower is done. So we need to go ahead with something. This yeah. So what I'm going to go ahead is strip. So for that perspective, I'm creating one HTTPS colon double backslash www dot python.org, and then I just made it here a dot strip. When I am using the strip, it will actually I am just giving something HTTPS, so it remove the HTTPS only. Nothing will be removed. So here I am giving a one more backslash. So HTTPS. So now I am entering. So it's remove only HTTPS. So this backslash and everything was there. So when I am just going HTTPS of colon, it remove till colon. So if I am just giving this double backslash, the strip will remove the ending letter, the slash, from the last letter also. So from the last also it remove this thing, and from the beginning also it's removed till the HTTPS. So in the beginning and in the end it remove the leading characters. So that's what strip is. So in strip, when you are just giving a left strip, it remove only on left side. The right side is all there. And when you are just using a right strip, so only it remove the right side. Right side we don't have a HTTPS, so it remove only this leading character. So strip which is going to remove some leading characters. So the next thing is, instead of strip, what we can able to, okay. The next thing is format map. Okay, I need to go for a split. The split is mainly used to go ahead with your list to, sorry, string to list data type. If you want to convert your string to list data type, we can able to go ahead with your split or split lines. Okay, so Python programming, we just made it. So a dot split, I'm just going to split based on O. So what it will do is, see, this O will be removed. Before O will be one index of list, after O will be another index of the list, and this O will be also removed. So this will be one part of the list, and this will be another part of the list, and this is another part of the list, but O is completely removed. So like this we are just getting the split. So instead of this, if I'm just giving a max split equal to 2, so only 2 times it will get split. So for this one, this one it will get split. For this Python and programming, this one it won't get split. So instead of giving some letter, you can give an empty string. So if you are giving an empty string means hello, the space will be removed, and the world, and the space is removed, and Python, and the space is removed, and programming. So each and every letter is actually converted to list data type. See, we can't able to directly convert. Actually, when you are just giving list of A, you will get something which is like this. You will get the output like this. Each and everything will be converted as a different letter, as a different index. But when we are just going ahead with the split, the words, the hello is one index and the world is another index. So we'll get something which is more relevant. So for that perspective, we won't prefer the direct way. We will go ahead with this split lines like that method. So I'm just going to make a string. So hi Python and programming, and then something else also I just given. So everything is in a different line. So a dot split. So the next thing is split lines. So it's going to split based on the line. So one line will be the one index, another line will be another index, another line will be another index. So you will get the list data type. So split, which is used to split based on any one character. Split lines, each and every line will be one index position of the split. So these two things is actually we used to convert our string data type to list data type. So now I'm creating one list, but the list must contains only the string. It should not contains the letters, those kind of things. So programming is used most like this. I just given something. So now I want to convert this list to string. So if I am just giving a string means, string of x means, you see the result, you will get, see it's one string and the list is comes under the quotes. It's just giving the conversion like this. So I'm just going to use a string inbuilt function, string dot join. You can't able to give a x dot join. If you are giving x dot join, then x is a list data type. In a list data type, we don't have attribute called join. So we'll get the error. So for that perspective, you need to give string dot join. So string, it's getting join, open bracket, close bracket. And here you need to tell based on which part you want to join. I'm giving a empty string like this, so you will get join. Okay, join takes one argument, so we need to give a one more argument, that's nothing but x. So string dot join, this is a special character which how its join is going to join, and this x, that's nothing but this variable. So now Python programming is used most. We don't have any space. So here in the string, I am giving one space. So you will get the answer like this. So in this string, if I am just giving a plus or a hyphen, you will get something like this. So like this, we can able to convert your list data type into string data type. So that's what your join is. Okay. So now title means, so a dot, okay, your a is something which is exactly like this. So a dot title, when I'm just giving something like this, each and every letter, so high caps and p caps and program caps and sum caps, so each and every letter will get in the caps. So each and every word will get in the, it starts with the caps. So that's what title is. So like L just R just, when I'm just giving a equal to 50. Now I want to make total 10 index with the zeros. So a dot zero full, and how many index you want to make? I want to make a 10 index. So 50 is actual value and remaining everything will be filled with the zeros. So like this. So the next thing strip we discussed. Okay, partition. So partition is mainly used to convert uh, string to tuple. Here it will convert only 3 index. It won't convert more than 3 index. That's a very important rule here. So Python is programming language. So now what I'm going to do here is a dot partition. I'm going to partition based on is. So is one part, before is one part, and after is a complete another part. Okay. So now if you are having a, if I'm just giving like programming, you will get this stuff because it's a case sensitive. So I am just giving a small p. So now you will get Python is one part, programming is an another part, and language is an another part. So here Python is the most used language. So in between this programming and language, I am giving a one more is. So a dot partition based on is. So you will the output something is looks like this. A is programming is language. So now same if I am giving a R partition, it will go with the reverse partition. So language and yes, you will get the Python as a programming like this. So this is all something you need to understand. So the next thing is, yeah. So I think we may go with the next one. So the next thing is, if you don't have any value, so if the particular value is not available, the given string will be one index and you will get some two tuple as a empty stuff. So it won't give you the error, instead of it's giving something else. So you need a three index tuple value. So the complete string is one index and remaining two index will be the empty string. So this is how your partition will work. So the next thing is join, we discussed replace. Okay. Equal to Python was most used language. So a dot replace was, I am going to replace with yes. Python is most used language. So that's all. So that's what your replace is. So apart from this is the stuffs which is all starting with is, it's actually going to check something. So is it's alphanumeric, is this uppercase, is this contains the lower case, it's alpha, it's alphabets, and it's a decimal, it's a digits, it's identifier. Identifier means it's the particular string it needs to satisfy our variable name rules. So it's is that a numeric value is printable means this is a printable one, this first years is, but when we are going ahead with this backslash t backslash n, this is not printable, so we'll get a false. And is title, the given element is a title or not, so like this will be just getting everything. And I just applied a string with our operators like plus, asterisk, and slicing, indexing, in, not in. So you just have a look on all those things today. So that's all your string data type. So is that clear for you?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss about our if-else for loop.
Okay, ma'am.
So probably this week we'll be completing basics Python.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Priya. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.